What's up, YouTube? So this is just an experiment. Towed in with no brake pedal and no start. So if we spray it through the intake, it starts. So now what we're gonna do, hop in the other seat. Do videotape. Let's see if we can't do this, because typically we do this with two people.
So you need me to lay on the hood and just start spraying while you drive it in.
I love that approach. Well, I wanted to try this approach first, because then I don't need anyone's help.
What the hell?
So this hose is ran all the way up front.
I did not expect that.
Into a vacuum hose that goes right into the throttle body. What do you mean you didn't expect this? This is gas in a can. What do you think? Think I can do it?
I don't know. It's gonna be interesting.
That's a little spray outy, huh? Ah!
It's gonna die. Did it die?
It would work. It works.
Holy shit!
It worked. Oh, I love this.
You mean turn the key?
I love that this worked. This is an awesome experiment.
This is hilarious.
Put it in drive.
It died.
Start it again. Pushing cars sucks. Oh, I love this. This is awesome. All right, slam her ass in reverse.
I almost slammed their ass in park.
Do it. So we have little to no brake pedal and no fuel pump. What do you think?
I think she's mint.
Who's the man?
How the hell did that just work?
I love